Welcome everyone, and welcome. I'm showing you the Langland project. This is one of the recently developed project at the Nongpok Chungjenbam area. This is one of the smart village, and you see in the front of my camera there is the automatic incubator, and beside it you can see the small incubator. This can incubate the 48 eggs at one time. So let me show you. This is the boiler feed, and yeah, let me show you one of the small section of the poultry area. This is the second phase, just the growth phase, and let me show you. This is the area where all the chicks and hens are released and are free to allow to roam. And this section is one of the interesting. This is called Japanese quail, small species of chick. Let me show you. So this is called Japanese quail. This is a small species. And I can show you. This is the small lovely chicks. This is the Langland project.